blackberry. This one plant gave me a gallon of blackberries last year. Now, for those of you who know this, great. But if you don't know this, you have two types of growth on a blackberry plant. This stalk here is last year's second growth. Now, they have a name. One's called a primocane and the other one's a floricane. And I don't know which is which. I'll look it up and put it in the comments section. Regardless, you have this year's fruit. You see the blossom here? Is coming off of last year's cane. See here? There's fruit up here, blossoms coming, and that's a new shoot that came off of last year's cane. So the blossoms come, you can see all through this whole cluster here. Blossom, 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 all on new shoots off of last year's cane, okay? Now, if you look inside the bush or the plant, you see this one? See this one here? This is next year's. That's all the way from down at the ground. So this is for next year's fruit. This one here, next year's fruit. This one here, this one here. All of these tall shoots, those are next year's fruit. And this really should be trellised. For instance, there's another one here. This is a young one, okay? So if it fruits at all, it will fruit on new shoots off of last year's wood. But it's sending up these new shoots. There's 3 of them here. 1, 2, 3. Those will be next year's fruit-bearing canes. Here's some more here. This is also off of another runner that came up, okay? It's a little different than raspberries. We'll talk about that in another video. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments section. Walter out.